Hey styles, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Corey Style, and today I will be doing a makeup haul. So if you're interested, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the red button.
Now we're going up, hop about the whip and do the day. Now we're going up, now we're going up.
So before I get started, I would like to give a shout out, and just to mention this real quick, starting now, I want to start mentioning a black owned business or brand or any type of black owned something, anything related to the black community. I want to start, mentioning it and giving a shout out. So starting today, I want to shout out, hold on, let me get low. New Breed Nye, and this is a crop hoodie that I purchased from his brand. He's a rapper, so yeah, and he's black. Here's the logo. It stands for New Breed Nye. So yes, I'm gonna link well, I'm actually gonna put it here, his Instagram, both of his Instagrams, and I'm also gonna put it in the description box. But yes, I purchased this crop hoodie and it's so comfortable and soft and everything. So yeah, be sure to check him out and check out his music. I'm actually gonna put his YouTube page in the description box as well. Let's jump right into the video. Everything I purchased came from either Ulta, Amazon, or Sephora. So I want to start with, we can start with Sephora because I only got one thing from them. I actually want to take this off my bed. I only did this for the thumbnail. So let's start with Sephora. I only got one item from Sephora, and this was my first time purchasing anything from Sephora. And I was watching the Glam Twins. I can't remember if it was Kelsey or that's the other one name. But yeah, she was using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I wanted to try it. And they have, I think, 3 different colors. And I got the shade medium deep. But yeah, she was using it in her I think she was recreating a Megan Thee Stallion makeup look, and she used this. That's what I got. Yes, she did get this. She used it, so that's why I wanted to try it, because I used Sasha Buttercup, and the price of this was $23 or $24. Oh, this is the small one, because they do have a large size. I already opened it and used it, but they do have a bigger one, which is like $39 or $40, and I'm trying it out, making sure I like it, so I wanted to get this one. The ounce, what is the size? The exact size. It's a 0.33 ounce. So I think it's a decent size, honestly. And I like it. It is a little too dark sometimes, but I mean, I can just always mix it. And also, I'm a beginning makeup artist, so I can just use it for clients. So yes, that's all I got from Sephora. Next, we're gonna do Amazon, and that's actually was an empty Amazon box. I just put everything in this huge Ulta box. They sent my items in this humongous box for like no reason. I'm gonna start with the eyelashes. So from Amazon, y'all know I get my lashes from Amazon because it costs too much to the beauty supply store, and I do support black businesses that sell eyelashes sometimes as well. But these came from Amazon. I might list the price of everything in the description box. I might, like the link, I might, but I will probably put the price up on here. But yes, these are really cute. I would definitely put the price up because I do not know the price of everything. Also got these lashes. I think, ooh, that's okay. But really cute. Yeah, I really like those lashes. But these are my favorite. I actually just got these today. Very cute packaging. These are mink. I thought it was faux mink, but I guess not. The packaging of this is just amazing. Got a how to use it and everything. I'm not going to include all of this because it's going to make the video too long, and I know people don't like to stay tuned that long. But look at these. They're so freaking gorgeous. And they came with a freaking eyebrow brush and for like the pomade and everything. perfect. Definitely will be using that. But yes, I think in this, this is a 18 through 25 mm. I don't even wear 25 mm, but cute. I like the other ones, so it's so freaking cute. So those are the lashes I bought. Oh, next from Amazon, I really needed this. It's a cape, you know, for when I do clients makeup. It's just the half cape though, not those super long ones. I want to get like my logo, like name, actually like Corey Brush. That's what I go. That's my makeup page. That's what I want to get put on here. So I may do that. But yeah, this is from Amazon as well. Again, I think this is like $7 or $8. But again, it should be on the screen. If it's not on the screen, it's in the description box. So just check there. What else? I did get this, the NYX setting spray. I've used this multiple times. So they have it at the beauty supply store, and I got it from Amazon because I think it costs more on Ulta's website. So, you know, we save a coin over here. Also from Amazon, I got some mascara. I needed some more. I don't know this brand, but I'm just trying it out. So yeah, that's just mascara. I also got, these are, like, I got these a few weeks ago actually. It's been a while. These NYX, what are these called? NYX lingerie push-up lipstick in the shade push-up. So this is a color, push-up is a color, and then after hours. Love these color, and I do think they are matte. I can't remember, but I believe they are matte. Super cute. Oh, this one, L'Oreal. I got the L'Oreal Infallible Pro-matte liquid lipstick in the shade, what's the shade? 354 Nudest. So love this as well. Trying to make sure, you know, everything good with my camera. I also, from Amazon, I also got the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shades Chocolate and Espresso. They have these on Ulta's website, but I wanted to go cheapest. Whichever one was the cheapest. So that's why I got it from Amazon. And you know, the pencils at one end, I can say these are pretty light. I really thought Espresso was going to be darker because I have the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, whatever it's called, in the color Espresso, I believe. And it's pretty dark, so I don't know. But yeah, I have Espresso and Chocolate. But I do like these. I still use them, even though I think they're a little light for my liking. But I do like them. So I got both of those. I got another one of these. You know, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is the medium to dark, and I think this is the powder. You know, they have one that is cream. I have the cream one already. I've had that for so long. But yeah, I really love these. Super affordable, but good quality. Two more items in here. So these came together. It's basically, these are very good for makeup artists. It's the disposable lip swabs. What they call these? Disposable lip gloss thingies. I don't know what they call these. I forgot. But yes, I have these. I forgot how many. But yes, they have black and pink. They have disposable spoolies as well. I already have some of these actually. Disposable like eyeliner thingy. Or use them for lip liner. Perfect. I think these are for eyeliner as well, like liquid liner. And I didn't even notice that these were more spoolies, so I got some more spoolies. And I use spoolies for, you know, when I do clients mascara, eyebrows, and I even use them for my edges sometimes. So happy that I got more of those. And I'm so happy that I found these disposable lip thingies. I'll probably find the name and put it up there. But yeah, again, the price will probably be on the screen or in the description box. The last thing, so for primer, I usually use Milk of Magnesia. I also like the I think that's L'Oreal or Maybelline baby skin cream stuff, and then the L'Oreal LA Girl HD primer or something like that. I like those, but those are good for making your skin like very smooth, so the foundation going very smooth. But I like something that will help my makeup last longer, you know, prevent me from getting oily. And I usually use the Milk of Magnesia. I see it over there, that's why I'm looking. But yeah, Milk of Magnesia. But I seen this makeup artist use Calamine Lotion, so I wanted to try it. I used it like yesterday, but I didn't have my makeup on long enough to even tell if I liked it or not. So yeah, like I literally got ready to do this video yesterday, but I ended up not recording it. So yeah, so that's everything from Amazon. Y'all, I spent like, whew, it was probably like $300 getting all of this stuff. But you know, when you want to get better at something, you have to invest. You always have to invest in yourself. And you know, I really enjoy doing makeup, and I need more products anyways, so I was getting low on makeup. So yeah. I'm on my college campus. If some of you all are new, so yeah, I do a lot of people makeup on campus. Why does this look like it's almost gone when it's new? Okay, so next is everything here is from Ulta. Let me just go ahead and show you all this. So I always wanted to try the Morphe setting mist, and so I got it. I forgot how much it was. I think it was like $14 to $15 if I'm not mistaken. But yes, I actually like this. But one thing I don't like about it, but the only thing I don't like is that it actually have fragrance, and I don't really like that because, you know, my skin is very sensitive, but nothing has happened so far, so we good. So yes, that, and then I got the Morphe. I really love Morphe. Like, I love Morphe. The Complexion Pro face palette. It's basically like a I'm gonna say contour palette and blush and highlighter, everything. It's the 8D Deep Glam, and yeah, love Morphe. I love that it's just so simple too. I love that this came with a mirror. So yes, oh, y'all probably see, but okay, it came with a mirror. Like, look at this. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Don't mind my nails. Like, I actually have some press-ons that I made that I'm gonna put on, but I may be doing my hair over, so I don't want to put them on yet. Like, so beautiful. I love this palette. Love it. So excited about this purchase. I think this was like $24, I believe so. And I already used the Maybelline Master Chrome in the color, I forgot the color, but it's like it's gold, and this is more so rose gold. And these are very good, like very good for the price, like very good, and last long. That's what I'm saying. You know, you shop on a budget, and like you get the affordable items, but you gotta make sure the quality is good as well. So that's what I do. And you can mix high end with low end, and it's like phenomenal. So let me take out all this because y'all got a lot of foundation, and concealer. That's where all the money went, honey. Okay. Whoa. So I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new foundations. So we're gonna start with the, you know, Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I use this anyways. I got the color 355 Coconut, 356 Warm Coconut, 365 Nutmeg, and 375, I think it's Java or Java. I want to say Java though. And then in the this is Maybelline Superstay. I always wanted to try this foundation. This 360 look very empty. I know I used some just to test it out, but this just look, I don't know, like it's almost gone. But anyways, I got in these shades. I love this packaging, and I didn't even know that they have the you see the matte and poreless just comes like this, but the Infallible, let me get one that I already opened. They come with a little push thingy, so I love that. And this costs more, and I feel like you're mainly paying for the freaking bottle, honestly. But I got the shades. Where is it? This is 330 Toffee Caramel, 336 Warm Bronze, 356 Warm Coconut, and then 360 Mocha. So yes, I will be trying those out because they have good reviews. And I also wanted to try their concealer. I actually tried this on my makeup one day, but again, I didn't have my makeup on that long. I think I did my makeup just to try these out, honestly. And I got the Maybelline, it's just called Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I got the shade 55 Hazelnut and 45 Tan. I think I did really good on picking the color. This was just for me. So yeah, but majority, all of this was mainly for, you know, me doing for clients basically. So I also got the NYX lip pencil in the color Espresso, so we'll be trying that out. And then I got 2, 4, 6, 8 of the LA Girl Pro concealers. You know, you can never go wrong with these. And Ulta actually had a sale. This was $3.49. But if you go to like Beauty Master, if you have a Beauty Master near you, they're usually like $2.99, $3. But I know some beauty supply stores have them for $4. I actually seen them for $5. So $3.49 was good, pretty good. So I'm not going in any specific order and color probably, but I got Warm Sand, Cool Tan, Toffee, Fawn, Chestnut, Toast, Espresso, and Mahogany. I got Mahogany because I'm going to try it to contour. I have Dark Cocoa, but Dark Cocoa, I don't know. It'd be a little weird looking. I don't know. Like the color. And I think that is everything. Yes, I believe so. That's everything. If you guys have any questions, be sure to ask down below. Comment them down below. I'm trying to figure out a title for this video. I'm going to try to add up all of this to see how much money I really spent. Because I feel like it was like, it had to be like $300 plus. But it's probably like a $300 makeup haul or something like that. But anyways, yeah, oh my gosh, I feel like my brightness is tripping. But yes, that's everything I purchased from Amazon, Sephora, and Ulta. And I'm really happy with my purchases, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for details, majority of the details. I don't know, I'm gonna list all of this because this is a lot. Like, I may not list like the foundation and concealer because I mean everybody know about this foundation and concealer, I assume. But yeah, again, if I didn't, yeah, so I'll probably just mainly like list like things that you guys probably don't know about, like the mink lashes. Like, you don't see these on the regular. Yeah, the cake, the Calamine Lotion, because I mean in the end you can always go in like to Ulta and just type in this stuff, but it would be cool for me to put the link, so I might do that. It depends on if I feel like editing, because that is a lot of editing. Okay, y'all know what I mean. But yeah, again, thank you all for watching, and also be sure to check out New Breed Nye. Again, I'll put his Instagram and all that information in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and hit the red button, like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching.
Now we're going up, hop about the whip and do the that, and now